Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
This is VeloFix. VeloFix is one-point solution for a one-point center for all the cyclists, and one-point center in the sense not only for brands, it's for a complete cycle accessories. You can see different models: Java, there is Arc, and single speed. You will find hybrid. You will find road bikes, and if you can look at the complete cycles, these are the hybrid models. You will have service center here. The particular thing is like you will have excellent service center, and you can see different kind of accessories. And this is like bags and reflective vests, and you can see bottle cages, bottles, Shimano models, Shimano products, and you can see all the lights. You can see all the helmets over here, and what else? You can see everything from one to everything. You can see all the cycle tubes, and you have bottles, and you have all the things. This is a one-point solution for the complete cyclist, and particularly in Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Currently, this is in Secunderabad, and you can see different brands over here. This is Java, and a racer model for a racer model bike, and as well as endurance model bikes, and you can see different model. These are the high-end model bikes completely for this things. And apart from this one, if you can see that thing, that part, that's a refreshing center for all the cyclists. This you can find it completely. This is one point. Everybody can sit here and relax, and they can sit down here and they can relax here for all the BRMs, all the all the racing things and all. Till now, you have seen the cycling center. And the next one is refreshing center, and this is a mid area. And apart from this one, if you look at this one, this is an exclusive and the perfect thing for service center. And you can see all the cycles will be serviced here, repaired here, and this is one of the best thing I have found out in Secunderabad. This is one of the best service center I found it in Secunderabad. And apart from this one, if you come down here, Park Tool service department things. And you have three to four service people, and even Pritam will be sometimes involved in wood servicing. And this is all about service center. VeloFix also handles second-hand bikes. They also look after second-hand bikes. You will have a resale, and these what I find are genuine here. If you want to find out where VeloFix exactly is, you can say that like. This is at Karkhana Main Road beside Reliance Footwear, Secunderabad. And for contacts of sales and service, you can contact on 8121122420. Thank you so much.